Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export from Trello to Excel or CSV, including Trello checklist and advanced checklist. So for us to be able to begin, this is particularly useful for those who want to analyze their Trello data further or keep a backup of their boards. So into this exporting process, let's take a moment first to understand what Trello is all about. So we're currently on to our Trello account already, and this is a versatile project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks and collaborate with your team. So this is great for managing projects, tracking progress, and ensuring everyone stays on the same page. So this is actually the board already. So we're currently onto my master board, and you could choose a workspace here onto the upper part of the screen. So we have different lists in here. We have to do, in progress, and done, and we have different cards in here. So we could add a card in here, card, and then right after here inside a card, we could add in some checklist or attachments and many more. So just simply click onto each card in here. You could rename that. You could add in some description in here, like information, click onto save, add in a member to that specific card. So you could also add in some labels for that checklist. So let's add a checklist in here. Click on to add, and then right after, let's add in some items like 1, 2, and 3. So onto each checklist in here, you could add in a member as well to that specific task, or you could also add in some due date in here, like this one. So you'll just have to click on to save right after. So let's change the date in here like 8. And then right after, you could also add more information such as location, cover, custom fields, and many more. Now, right after, the next thing that we could do in here to get started with exporting your Trello data. So first, if you're using a Trello's business class, then exporting data is quite a straightforward process. You'll just need to navigate to the board in here. So for example, we're here already onto your master board, and then onto the upper part of the corner of the screen, you should be able to see the three dots. Click onto that and scroll down until you find this specific option to print, export, and share. So as you can see, you should be able to generate a link to this board, and there is automatically a step to export that as CSV. So you'll just need to click onto that, and right after it will go ahead and do an automatic download onto your device. But that option is only just available if you're using the premium plan. So you need to upgrade to another plan so that you could go ahead and use onto that feature. So while this method provides a lot of information, it does include details from your checklist. So if you need to export checklist information, including advanced checklist, so there is another method that you could use, which involves a power up cold board export. To use that power up, so you'll just need to head here onto the upper part corner of the screen again, and then you should be able to find in the power ups. So there is a search bar in here. Here onto the search bar, you'll just need to type in board export. So as you can see, we have this one, and I have added this already onto our account. So if you still doesn't have it onto your account, you should be able to see an option to add it in here. So these will allow you to export more comprehensive data from your Trello board. So these will go ahead and help you export your Trello boards and cards information to share insights and boost the visibility of your team's work. So here are some of the information on why export from Trello. So we have quickly extract, easily share information, save time, engage your audience, and fully supported and reliable power up with dedicated support and development team. So right after you have added that, you should be able to see that one here onto the upper part corner of the screen. So this is the icon for that. You'll just need to click onto that one. And as you can see, you should be able to find it in here, the different list onto your board. So you'll just need to choose export this list in here, which is to do. And then right after, just click onto export list. So you could select an export format. So we're going to choose CSV for this. And then you could choose the fields to go ahead and export. So you'll choose all fields in here, click onto export, and as you can see, the export is in progress. So these will export all the data in your board. just like the business class export, but with additional fields. Notably, it includes a checklist information, and this means that you'll get details about checklist items, who they are assigned to, and their due dates. For those using advanced checklists, this method is particularly beneficial. Advanced checklists will allow you to assign members and due dates to specific checklist items, and these details will be included in your export, providing a more complete overview of your board's task and assignment. So we have in here downloaded already that, and we could go ahead and try to export this onto our Excel. As you can see, we're currently on Sheets already, and we have imported the CSV file that we just recently downloaded. So you'll just need to go ahead and import the data and wait for this one to be done. And there you have it. That's how you export data from your Trello boards to Excel or CSV. So whether you're using Trello's business class or the board export power up, you can now easily access and analyze your Trello data outside the platform. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.